What's up, guys? No, I'm not dead. I'm just extremely busy with work, and honestly I haven't been getting out on the water as much as I thought it would be because of work. Now, that does not mean that I am not preparing for when times are less busy. I have went ahead and redecorated my boat, and in the comment section below I might need your help with what you guys like and what you guys don't like about it, just to give me some ideas. But I have some feng shui going on here. I've got some plants, I've got some nice baskets, some earthy tone colors, cutting board, getting ready for fall, I guess. I also went ahead and got myself a 12-volt TV. This connects to my phone, hotspots right off of my phone, and this is going to be an absolute game changer. It adds so much life to this boat. I put all of the boring stuff in here as I don't use my washroom too much, so life jackets, that can kind of be the clutter drawer. But this is the idea of the style and the boat that I'm going for. I've got little accent lights everywhere now, different color tones. I've got some candles here to just make this boat really pop and really feel cozy, especially at nighttime when I'm in the middle of a lake or at a campsite or something. I can't, as you guys can tell, I can't decide if I want to go more to the brown side, more to the green side, more to the rusty color side. So I just bought everything, and I'll slowly figure out what colors I like and what colors go best. But yeah, this is the new and improved boat. I was gonna get this boat out on the water, but as of right now I have exactly half a day, and I just could not find the energy to get this boat on the water. Launching it, going out, anchoring, bringing it back, washing it, flushing the engine. I couldn't fathom that for half the day. So this is a much easier video to make, and I am not on the water right now. I'll show you where I am. I still need to get a comforter, a duvet that matches everything with pillowcases for me, my bed. So that's the only thing that doesn't match quite yet. But I am at a truck stop. I am literally on the side of a highway at a truck stop. And this is where I'm making the video. And this is where I am going to barbecue. The other new addition to this boat, sitting on, I think this is called an I-beam, an aluminum I-beam, is this stainless steel barbecue. I actually have a real boat barbecue and a propane tank now, which is a huge addition to the boat. Last but not least, I have my last surprise. I have went ahead and purchased some meta glasses, because with boating there's so many times where I'd love to have both my hands, and this will allow me to have both of my hands. And so this is the new view that a lot of you guys, I feel like I'm like a Halo character, Call of Duty, a new view or a new viewpoint of my my videos. So I hope that this footage is looking pretty cool right now. Anyways, that is all that's new with me. Let's keep these meta glasses on and let's go outside and we will barbecue. And now the best thing about this is, one, you have, well, it looks like I'm talking to myself because the cameras pick up audio. But other than me talking to myself, I can be quite conspicuous with people not really knowing that I'm filming. So let's grab our groceries. Look at that. I don't even have to hold the camera. I have to make a note. I gotta get new knives. Nice knives. Some nice knives, because these are dollar store knives. Nothing against dollar store. Just this boat deserves more. And we will throw these bacon cheddar patties already seasoned and already made. We will throw them on the new barbecue. And I don't want to get my barbecue dirty, so I'm gonna pan fry these just because it's all new. All right, so the pan just wasn't heating up enough. I guess you can't really put a pan on these. Maybe you can, I'm not sure, but that's more of the sizzle that I'm looking for right there. Just make sure that my drip tray is in there. And we'll let that sit for a little bit. I also think that I'm not really getting much heat from this regulator. I think I might go purchase another one. It doesn't seem like there's much flow going into the barbecue. But other than that, this barbecue's in great shape, and I think I got it for a pretty good deal. It's like $100. And I think new they're like 500. Don't know if the camera will pick it up that good, but I want to show it off. So, it's a good angle. I basically buffed from here down on both sides. And I'm not sure if that's picking it up, but basically a mirror finish here and then still a bunch of oxidation up here. I'm gonna do the rest, but I was surprised. You can kind of really tell at the bow how shiny that is. But I was gonna do the top. I just didn't realize how long it takes. And so that'll be another day, maybe 2 days to get in all the nooks and crannies here. But eventually I'll do the top and then I'll do inside. I basically just came back to here with it. So this can all be done, which will look really nice. And look at how nice my barbecue looks from the back. Look at that. Actually, it kind of looks a bit odd, but I like it. I am connected on my phone to my TV. We'll head to the good old Netflix. Little Fast and the Furious. Come on. Use all my phone's data. Oh. I might have to get a sound bar because the sound is horrible. Or I could hook it up into these speakers back here. Okay, another project. This boat is an endless amount of projects, but I do have to say I enjoy working on it just as much as I do enjoy boating. So that's it. I hooked this TV up to, there's a CO detector here. I have a battery power one now, but there's a CO detector that came out here, and I just hooked it up to the CO detector wires, which gives me the 12 volts and the 6 amps that I need, well, 3 amps that I need, and 12 volt outlet into 12 volts power for TV. And that's how that works. And then I mounted that right through to my shower. So it is not going anywhere. I'm gonna make such a mess. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Just wanted to say hi, and I probably won't see you for about a month, but then we'll be back in this boat making some fun videos. I'm gonna install a diesel heater and get kind of prepared for some cooler weather as we get into fall. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for everyone reaching out and all of your concerns. I have not disappeared. I'll catch up with you guys soon. Enjoy the summer.